Kenyan stand. Jambo.
So, what are you doing here today?
Today we are presenting a bit of the culture of Kenya, showing where you can go in Kenya, how Kenyan attire looks like,
Yeah.
a bit of sampling of the Kenyan food, and things like that.
So, what kind of food are you offering?
We have mandazi, that is usually for breakfast.
Yeah.
It's a light snack. We have samosa, that is usually eaten after a pretty strong night.
Yeah.
That sort of rejuvenates you. We have kaimati, which is also a snack. And we are going to have various like mukimo, which is a main meal. It's mashed potatoes with maize. We also have pilau, which is rice mixed with beef. And we have our most famous drink there, Tusker. And on show as well is the various wildlife you can find in our place.
Wow.
Beautiful place.
So, in which country are we?
We are in Kenya.
Right now we are in Kenya.
God's country.
God bless Kenya.
Yeah, God bless Kenya.
The cradle of the mankind.
Yes. That's where all mankind came from. Peace.